Hello everyone, my name is Roro Ratuhanini Hariswari. I will explain about interpretation. According to Wirjono Prodikoro, all written laws contained in various laws as well as unwritten ones, namely based on custom, since as customary, law allows often the possibility of being interpreted in various ways. Depending on this interpretation, how the actual content and intent of a legal regulation can be known. Legal interpretation is an important thing in legal life as a reaction to the teachings of legis, namely the flow that equates law and legislation as the main idea. Judges are subject to the law, and law are contained in the law. Judges do not create laws. Judges are just the mold or mouthpiece on the legislative body, the legislature. However, in reality, it turned out that many of the law are not clear. If they were clear, in fact the law could not be complete and complete. This is case in this impossible for the law to completely regulate human life, because human life is always evolving. So in interpretation and explanation will be given regarding the formulation of the law, so that scope of the norm can be affiliated to certain event. There are several types of legal interpretation, namely 1. Grammatical interpretation. In the grammatical interpretation, the provisions contained in the legislation are interpreted based on the meaning of the word according to grammar or according to custom. 2. Valid interpretation. Authentic or obstacle. Authentic interpretation is an interpretation that is carried out based on understanding determined by the legislator. 3. Historical interpretation. Historical interpretation is based on the history of the law, namely based on the history of the occurrence of the law. The history of the law, namely by investigating the intention of the legislator at the time of forming the law. 4. Systematic interpretation. Systematic interpretation is carried out by reviewing the structure related to other articles both in the same law and with other law. National 4. National interpretation. National interpretation is an interpretation based on conformity with the applicable legal system. 6. Teleological sociological interpretation. Sociological interpretation is an interpretation that is carried out by taking into account the intent and purpose of the law. Sociological interpretation is carried out because there are changes in society where the sound of the law does the change. 7. Intensive interpretation. Extensive interpretation is carried out by expanding the meaning of words contained in statutory regulation. 8. Prescriptive interpretation. Prescriptive interpretation is done by narrowing the meaning of words contained in a statutory regulation. 9. Analogic interpretation. Analogic interpretation is done by giving an allusion or analogy to the word according to legal principle. 10. Interpretation contrario according to the circle. Interpretation contrario is an interpretation that based on the struggle between the problem faced and the problem regulated by law.